Hi guys, my name is Marisol Enzarillo and I'm here today at Kiss Nail Studios to show you how to channel your inner queen. Today, we're gonna talk about Kiss's new launch, Majestic Nails. Majestic is the new premium nail line by Kiss Products. This prestigious high-end set is reusable up to 3 times. They are durable and flexible, making for an extremely comfortable fit. Each package comes with 30 nails, 2 prep pads, 48 mega adhesive tabs, a 1 2-gram tube of nail glue, 1 mini nail file, and 2 manicure sticks. Let's talk about sizing. Start by aligning each nail along your cuticle line until you find your best fit. Check both sides of the nail for proper coverage. If you are in between sizes, choose a smaller nail. Before you start the application process, you should file your nails, then push back on your cuticles to remove any excess skin. Then clean your nails with the prep pad. The prep pad is the most important to make sure your nails are free from any dirt or oils. This will ensure a long-lasting manicure. Majestic comes with 2 full sets of adhesive tabs. Use twice with adhesive tab and then glue for maximum reusability. Once you've selected the sizes that properly fit your natural nails, pair them with the matching adhesives. Majestic Nails and Mega Adhesive tabs have coordinating sizes. These fabulous Majestic Nails have updated tabs that are thinner, more flexible, and stronger. Start by applying the adhesive tab onto the Kiss nail first, not your natural nail. The number on the tab should always be on the cuticle side of the nail. Now you can peel off the film and align the nail along the cuticle area. Press down firmly on all sides of the nail, starting with the middle, then on each side. Take one of the 2 manicure sticks included in the package, carefully wedge under the Majestic nail from the tip, and gently lift. Next, put it on the remaining adhesive tab and roll the stick to remove the tab from the artificial or natural nail. Now it's time to restock the nails on your tray for your next use. I'm going to show you how to reapply your nails using your nail glue. Apply a nice even coat of glue on your nail. Then align with your cuticle. Press on and hold for 5 seconds. In order to avoid air pockets, make sure you use enough glue. Yes, queen! Check out these amazing nails. We did it! I totally feel like a queen. Now it's your turn.